In this video, I'll give you a step-by-step guide to finally get C# code completion to work in VS Code. First, set VS Code as your external script editor. You can do so by going to Edit, Preferences, External Tools. All the way at the top you'll see External Script Editor. Pick Visual Studio Code from the drop-down menu. If you don't see Visual Studio Code, you can click Browse, navigate to where you installed it. The folder is called Microsoft VS Code. Then pick code.exe. Now when you double click a script, it will open in VS Code. When you open a C# script in VS Code, you may get a notification to download the C# extension. This is what you want. Go to Extensions, C# by Microsoft, click Install. When it's done installing, you may get this message urging you to install the .NET package. This is again what you want. Click on the link, click Download, and install. Once that's done, you can restart your computer and it should work. If you've restarted your computer and it still doesn't work, here are 3 fixes. If you call .NET in the terminal and it returns an error, this is because it can't find .NET. It needs to be a part of the path variable. Open Search and type Environment. Click Edit the System Environment Variables, then click on Path and look for the path to your .NET installation. If you can't find it, add it. Do this for both paths. Restart again for the changes to take effect. If this still doesn't work, you can try to disable the persistent terminal of VS Code. Go to Settings, search for Persistent Terminal and uncheck the box to disable. Close and open VS Code. Finally, if everything else fails, run it as administrator. Close the VS Code, go to your VS Code installation folder, right-click on code.exe, go to Compatibility, check the box Run this program as administrator, hit Apply, close, and then open VS Code. I hope this video helped you finally get code completion to work for C# in Visual Studio Code. If this helped you, please like it, I really appreciate it. Subscribe if you want. I know the frustration of getting this to work, so I wanted to make a video to hopefully save you some time and frustration. Thank you for watching, bye.